Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. If you're watching in recording, you can simply fast forward 5 minutes. Good morning, Judy. Entonces creo que no vas a la clase de yoga, ¿eh? No te despertaste. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, buenos dias, Vicky. All right, it is 7:30 here, so we have to start. Good morning, Janet. And today we're going to continue with AHIMSA, or non-violence, one of the ethical guidelines in yoga. And we'll continue where we left off yesterday, finding courage to face the unknown. Just before we begin, I remind you of the Yoga Sutra, the philosophical text on yoga, how that defines AHIMSA. Being firmly grounded in non-violence creates an atmosphere in which others can let go of their hostility. And we're talking not only about the very outward violence that's happening in the world, but more subtle violence that we create for ourselves at this point. Yesterday, we started facing our fears, coming up to the door where that fear may live. And today we're going to actually open that door. But before we do, I want to read a passage from Trevor Noah's book called Born a Crime. He says, I don't regret anything I've ever done in life, any choice that I've made, but I'm consumed with regret for the things I did not do, the choices I did not make, the things I did not say. We spend so much time being afraid of failure, afraid of rejection, but regret is the thing we should fear most. Failure is an answer. Rejection is an answer. Regret is an eternal question you will never have the answer to. What if only? I wonder what would have been. You will never know, and it will haunt you for the rest of your days. So take a comfortable position. As always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both internal and external. And as you take this pause, inhabit it with all your senses. Really feel present, grounded in this moment. We're going to do a quantum jumping like practice. So you're not going to meet your twin self today, but it will be very similar. The passage will be very similar. So at this moment, close your eyes if they're not closed already. And imagine that you are standing at the top of a staircase, 10 steps down. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and with each count, you're going to go downstairs, step by step, going deeper and deeper into your subconscious mind. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're at the bottom of the staircase at a relaxed state of mind, more meditative, more receptive. Relax. Visualize a hallway in front of you with many doors or one door that you picked yesterday. The door where your deepest fear lives. Come up to the door and put your hand on the doorknob. Scan your body. Notice what's happening. Take a few nice, slow, grounding breaths. Perhaps put your hands or one hand on top of your heart. Remind yourself, I am safe. I can always turn around and leave. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, and on the count of 3, the door will open and you will decide whether you want to step in or not. No judgment, totally your call. 1, 2, 3. The door opens. Check in with yourself. If you're not ready, just spend this practice at the threshold, noticing whatever you notice. And if you are ready to step in, do it. What do you see there? Is the space inside or outside? Who is there? Is the scene unfolding right now in the present moment, or is it from a long time ago? Maybe your childhood, maybe some traumatic event in your life, or maybe something completely unexpected. Don't try to analyze anything. Just go with whatever you see or don't see. Remember, there is no way to do this practice wrong. If you see nothing, if it's complete darkness, or if you feel numb and don't feel anything else, that also is an answer. No worries. Just be patient with yourself. Whatever it is, explore it with kind and curious attention. Keep reminding yourself, I am safe. I can always leave if I want to. And if you feel ready, just walk around the space. Poke around, investigate, curious, open to possibility, receptive. Does this place or something in it, or maybe someone in it, have a special message for you? Can you hear it or maybe see it? Do you understand this message? Does it make sense to you? And even if not, simply take it in. Take it with you. You can decipher it later. Take one last look around. Once again, feel whatever you feel in your body. And say goodbye to this place or whoever you met there. Thank the place and the person or whatever it is you encountered for the message that you got. And walk back to your transit door. I'm going to count from 1 to 3 again. On the count of 3, the door will open and you'll come back. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come back. Relax. You're safe. Everything is well. You can repeat quietly, all is well in my world. I am safe. Walk back to your staircase, and now I'm going to count from 1 to 10. On each count, you will step further up, climbing out of your subconscious back into the logical mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're back at the top of the staircase. Back right here, right now. Back with some message from the place where your fear lives. Relax. You're safe. And to complete our practice today, I want to read a poem from Dana Folds. It's called "The Door is Always Open." Fear, pain, dark moods, despairing moments, plentiful distractions. The human drama plays through me as it always has, with one abiding difference. Knowing what I am opens a door to truth. Sometimes I step across that threshold, and sometimes I don't. But the door is always open. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.